Welcome to our summary of Measure What Matters by John Doerr. In this book, John Doerr explains OKRs, a system that helps organizations reach their goals. OKRs are more than just setting objectives. They ensure every action is aligned with the bigger goal. By setting clear, measurable steps, OKRs help everyone focus on what truly matters, improve teamwork, and hold people accountable. This approach pushes organizations to work harder and achieve more, even in difficult times. One key idea in the book is, ideas are easy, execution is everything. This means that OKRs help turn big ideas into real outcomes. OKRs guide organizations from dreaming to doing, making sure ideas lead to results. This method makes execution as important as the ideas themselves, leading to great achievements. The book also takes us back to where OKRs started, at Intel under Andy Grove. Grove was inspired by Peter Drucker's Management by Objectives, MBOs, and made them more effective. He improved on Drucker's concepts, focusing on measurable outcomes and creating a way to set goals that involve everyone in the organization. This evolution shows how OKRs differ from MBOs. OKRs focus on both objectives, what needs to be done, and key results, how to do it. The shift to frequent and open updates involving all team members has made OKRs popular across many industries. This proves their effectiveness in boosting performance and reaching big goals. Next, the book talks about the first major strength of OKRs: focus and commit to priorities. This means choosing a few key tasks that will make the biggest difference instead of trying to do too much at once. Teams are encouraged to pick only 3 to 5 key objectives each cycle, which forces them to prioritize. Leaders play a big role in this process. They make tough decisions and set clear, actionable objectives. It's not just about setting goals. It's also about creating a culture of commitment and openness. Clear communication ensures that everyone understands and aligns with these priorities, creating a shared sense of purpose. The section ends by talking about key results, specific, measurable outcomes tied to each objective. These outcomes serve as success benchmarks, helping teams track progress, make decisions, and stay accountable. This step-by-step approach ensures that every action helps the organization reach its overall goals. The next part of the book, Align and Connect for Teamwork, shows how OKRs can reshape an organization. The focus shifts from secretive approaches to a culture of openness, where goals are shared at all levels. This transparency strengthens the organization's commitment and helps everyone see how their efforts contribute to the bigger mission. Aligning everyone's daily work with the company's main goals naturally boosts motivation and engagement. The power of alignment is seen in how individual, team, and organizational goals sync up, creating unity. When everyone is heading in the same direction, efforts focus on what the company needs most, leading to a bigger impact. The book also highlights the benefits of mixing top-down guidance with input from the bottom up. This gives direction while allowing independence, encouraging people to take initiative and come up with new ideas within the organization's goals. OKRs also help break down barriers in organizations. By making goals clear and easy to access, OKRs improve communication and teamwork across teams, helping them work together better. This change makes the workplace more connected and cooperative, where teamwork and shared knowledge drive innovation and better results. The book then moves to the third superpower of OKRs, track for accountability. It highlights the importance of regularly checking and adjusting goals to keep them on track. Regular check-ins and updates help catch problems early before they grow bigger. The book suggests being flexible with goals, understanding that goals might need to change as situations change. Tracking progress involves both objective grading and self-assessment. Objective grading uses data to measure progress fairly, while self-assessment lets people reflect on what they've achieved and where they can improve. This builds a sense of ownership and keeps people engaged with their goals. The book also stresses the importance of reflection within the OKR framework. By looking at what worked and what didn't, teams and individuals can learn valuable lessons and keep improving how they set and reach goals. This focus on learning and adapting is key to growing and succeeding in a constantly changing business world. Next, the book explores Superpower #4, Stretch for Amazing, which is about setting big, ambitious goals, called stretch goals. These goals push people to go beyond their limits and drive big improvements in performance and innovation. However, these goals should still be realistic to avoid discouragement. Finding the right balance between ambition and what's possible is important. Goals should push people to achieve more without being impossible. The book shows how OKRs encourage teams to aim for big improvements, inspiring them to achieve changes that can redefine industries. Finally, the book talks about the need for a supportive culture where taking risks is encouraged and failures are seen as learning opportunities. In this environment, trying new things and learning from mistakes become normal, helping build a mindset focused on innovation and continuous improvement. This kind of culture drives organizations to achieve great results. As we move into the 7th part of Measure What Matters, called The New World of Work, the book looks at how performance management is changing. Traditional yearly performance reviews are seen as outdated, often taking too much time and sometimes lowering employee morale. Because these reviews happen only once a year, they don't give feedback when it's most needed, and they can be unfair, focusing too much on recent events. Plus, these reviews often create competition instead of teamwork. In contrast, the book suggests switching to continuous performance management. This new way involves regular conversations, real-time feedback, and ongoing recognition, making it more flexible and better suited to today's fast-paced work environment. Keeping communication open allows organizations to quickly fix performance issues, encourage learning, and keep employees motivated. The book introduces CFRs, conversations, feedback, and recognition, as key parts of this new approach to managing performance. Regular, meaningful talks between managers and employees build trust and support open communication. This two-way conversation lets both managers and employees share concerns and ideas, leading to more transparency and better teamwork. Recognition is also shown as crucial to keeping employees engaged, but it's often overlooked. By celebrating both big and small successes, organizations create a positive work environment where employees feel valued. The book suggests that recognition should happen often, be specific, and be tied to the company's goals, encouraging behaviors that lead to success and making employees feel like they belong. When CFRs are part of everyday work, businesses not only improve performance, but also create a more motivated and committed workforce, ready to reach shared goals. This change represents a shift in workplace culture, focusing on flexibility, continuous improvement, and working together for success. In the 8th part, called The Interplay of OKRs, CFRs, and Culture, the book explores how these elements work together to build high-performing organizations. A strong, positive culture, marked by trust, open communication, and teamwork, is seen as the foundation for successfully using OKRs and CFRs. This kind of culture not only supports, but also strengthens these frameworks, helping everyone fully engage in setting and achieving goals, having meaningful conversations, and giving and receiving useful feedback. The importance of transparency, accountability, and empowerment is highlighted as the core of an effective organizational culture. In this setting, goals are openly shared, making everyone an active participant in reaching the company's objectives. Accountability here is about personal commitment to achieving goals, not about placing blame. While empowerment lets people take initiative, share ideas, and make decisions that move the organization forward. OKRs and CFRs are also seen as powerful tools for changing company culture. By focusing on results rather than just activities, these frameworks help break down barriers, improve communication, and encourage continuous improvement and innovation. The book suggests that using OKRs and CFRs can greatly impact how people work together and think about their roles in the organization. The discussion wraps up by showing the strong connection between a positive culture and effective goal setting. This connection creates a cycle where each part strengthens the other, leading to ongoing high performance. The vision is one where organizations use the combined power of OKRs, CFRs, and a supportive culture to not only achieve great results, but also create a work environment that is rewarding and empowering for everyone. In the final part, the book looks ahead with hope, imagining a future where OKRs and CFRs have an impact beyond just business, reaching into areas like education, healthcare, government, and social initiatives. This vision shows how flexible these frameworks are, proving they can drive big changes and foster progress in many different fields. The book emphasizes that the key to success with OKRs is adapting them to fit the unique needs and stages of each organization. To wrap up, the author imagines a future where OKRs are more than just tools for management. They become a key part of a culture that values ambition, innovation, and teamwork. By setting big goals, being open and transparent, and encouraging people to take risks and learn from mistakes, OKRs can help unlock the full potential of individuals and teams. The vision is about empowering everyone and achieving success together, with OKRs leading the way to a future where doing amazing things isn't just possible, but expected. This idea invites us to think about how OKRs could drive change and make a big impact across all areas of society. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more insightful book summaries and practical advice. Stay tuned for more content that can help you achieve your financial goals and personal growth. Thanks for watching.